Bullish mirror convention cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 58 cents and $1.28 by 2030. Market investigators accept mirror could reach 58 cents by 2025. Bearish mirror convention market cost expectation for 2022 is 10 cents. Reflect convention presentation. With regards to battling opportunity disparity in the monetary space, mirror convention is a creative and possibly progressive venture that could open a universe of chance. In the event that you're keen on finding out about the cost of mirror convention, look no further. In this article, we have summed up our point-by-point mirror convention cost forecasts, from mirror convention value today to least cost, normal cost, greatest cost, normal exchanging cost, market cap, current cost, and then some. We likewise answer a definitive inquiry: is mirror convention a wise speculation for what's to come? We should figure it out. What is mirror convention? Reflect convention is a local area-driven, decentralized blockchain convention worked by Terraform Labs. The venture was made with the mean to give more current ways of getting to back and exchanging choices and tackle the developing imbalance issue, the digital money market. The convention empowers the production of manufactured resources that can follow the cost of genuine crypto coins. The convention enables dealers to exchange values any place, whenever, every minute of every day. It can do this by stamping engineered resources, additionally called mirror resources or M-assets. These resources are fueled by shrewd agreements and run on the land organization. The resources are intended to reflect the value conduct of the basic certifiable resources they address, permitting dealers to get boundless cost openness. The M-assets carry a plenty of benefits to the mirror convention organization. They dispose of the requirement for go-between systems and give worldwide availability to anybody who wishes to exchange. Regardless of whether merchants own the fundamental resource, mirror assists them with taking part in cost hypothesis or direct venture with practically no limitations. Reflect convention specialized examination. While the functions of this intriguing DeFi project are positively complicated, Mirror Conventions Group has figured out how to make a stage that is certainly worth the difficult work. The engineered resources Mirror offers are really strong, and the whole environment is built for huge development, having gotten the eyes of significant financial backers in the digital money market. Merchants in the present crypto market who have little confidence in Money Road and significant establishments in our monetary framework can track down a magnificent option in Mirror Convention. As the stage fills from here on out, the scope of resources accessible will likewise increment. And almost certainly, the cost of Mirror Convention could arrive at an unequaled high soon. For brokers hoping to make a venture, the Mirror coin is a significant token to keep an eye out for from now on. Reflect Convention current cost. Reflect Convention is right now worth 13 cents USD. Mirror has moved 3.01% as of now with an exchanging volume of $6,798,878. Reflect Convention is right now positioned 706 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $10,250,912 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Mirror Convention to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Reflect Convention value forecast 2022. Reflect Convention, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Mirror cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 19 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 18 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Mirror is supposed to have a base worth of 15 cents. Reflect Convention value forecast 2023. In 2023, Mirror Convention Mirror cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Mirror will before long outperform 32 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Mirror's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Mirror will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 26 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 28 cents. Reflect Convention value forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 45 cents and Mirror might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Mirror is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 41 cents and a low of 39 cents in 2024. Reflect Convention value forecast 2025. Assuming that Mirror Convention effectively helps market opinion among digital money fans, the Mirror coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Mirror will be green in 2025. The Mirror is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 58 cents, with a base cost of 52 cents and a typical cost of 54 cents. Reflect Convention Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the mere cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 68 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 65 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, mere has a greatest value worth of 71 cents. Reflect Convention Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 81 cents. On the off chance that mere figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 85 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help mere needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 78 cents. Reflect Convention Value Forecast 2028. While MIR is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 91 cents and a yearly cost close above 98 cents in 2028. Reflect Convention Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, MIR Convention will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $1.05 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.11, averaging out at $1.07. Reflect Convention Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest mere cost in 2030 is projected to be $1.28 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1.23. And, by and large, MIR Convention is an exploring stage, opening up new open doors for its clients while likewise tending to the key disparity issue in monetary open doors. The stage permits people in less mechanically evolved districts to access and benefit off monetary resources that have for some time been restricted to a favored minority. In general, the stage is a creative and genuinely necessary task, filling a few significant holes in the crypto scene. Notwithstanding, it is critical to recollect that the stage has specific limitations. While financial backers can claim the reproduction of an engineered resource, they can't hold investor freedoms and don't have responsibility for basic resource. The cost of MIR Convention is likewise dependent upon many changes and open to the instability of the crypto market. This video isn't expected to be venture guidance. Keep in mind, all crypto ventures convey hazard, and you should contact an outsider monetary counsel or direct your own exploration before you purchase MIR Convention. What is the MIR Convention cost today? Today, MIR Convention is exchanging at 13 cents with a complete market capitalization of $10,250,912.